Infusionsoft is amazing software for running your business and for communicating with your clients. Now you can do more with it. Save time by integrating your telephone system with Infusionsoft. Make calls right from Infusionsoft using Wildix integration. It's so easy. Just click a phone icon next to your client's number, smile, and start a conversation. And of course, you can receive calls too. The Received Call option automatically opens a caller's page with the option to read previous conversations and make notes on the fly. That's how Wildix integration helps you to do more with Infusionsoft. Work more effectively with your clients and close more leads. Be closer with your clients and sell more with Wildix telephony.